Have you ever thought about making money with your open source project? Yes, you heard it right. In fact, it's one of the fundamental rights granted by the 4 essential freedoms of free software. In this video, I'll go over some of the successful ways to monetize your project. First up, donations, sponsorships, and crowdfunding. This is the most straightforward way to make money with open source. By building a supportive community around your project, you can receive financial support through one-time donations, monthly sponsorships, merchandise sales, and crowdfunding campaigns. Don't rely only on individuals though. Try to get companies on board as well, especially if they're using your work. Another strategy is dual licensing. This means publishing your work under 2 licenses, one open source and one commercial. Companies may opt for the commercial license, or they will be forced to release their source code too. Selling support or consulting services. You can earn a decent living by offering your expertise in customizing, integrating, or troubleshooting your project for companies. Since you know your project better than anyone else, it can be more efficient for companies to contract you for these services than to allocate their own resources. Next, you can offer a hosted service. Your project may be open source, but hosting it can be difficult and expensive for others. By offering a hosted service, you can take care of the operation and maintenance while your customers get peace of mind. Offer consulting services on top and you can make a good living. Another way to monetize is by selling a physical product. If your project includes hardware designs, you can manufacture and sell the hardware. If you wrote some software library that needs some special hardware to run on, you can develop and sell a reference board offering a works out of the box experience. Keep this in mind though. If the physical product you're selling is open source, then overseas manufacturers may start producing it too at lower prices. That's why it is important to build a strong community that will show its loyalty by purchasing from you. To conclude, there are many ways to make money with open source and they are not mutually exclusive. In fact, you should try to combine them to differentiate your revenue stream. If you would like to read more about the topic, I wrote an article on my website with more details and examples. You will find the link right below. Until next time, take care.